Welcome to today's tutorial. If you're looking to automatically clear your browsing data every time you exit Google Chrome, you're in the right place. While Chrome doesn't have a built-in feature to automatically clear data on exit, there's a simple walk-around using Chrome's settings and extensions. Let's get started. Open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page. Scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security, click on Clear Browsing Data. This will open a new window where you can choose what data to clear. Here you can select options like browsing history, cookies, cached images, and more. Unfortunately, Chrome doesn't have a native feature to automatically clear this data on exit, but we can use an extension to achieve this. To automate this process, we will use a trusted Chrome extension called Click&Clean or Auto History Wipe. On a new tab, go to Chrome Web Store, search for Click&Clean or Auto History Wipe. Once you find the extension, click Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. After installing the extension, click on its icon in the top right corner of your browser. Go to Settings or Options menu to the extension. Here you will find an option to automatically clear browsing data when Chrome closes. Enable this feature and customize the types of data you want to clear, such as history, cookies, or cached. It will automatically clear browsing data if you bought it on 1 second. Close Chrome and reopen it. If you have set everything up correctly, your selected data will be cleared automatically. This extension acts as a great workaround for maintaining privacy without having to manually clear your data every time. Here's a pro tip: if you want to exclude certain sites from having their data cleared, check the extension settings for an exclusion list. This is useful for sites where you want to stay logged in or retain specific settings. And that's it. You have successfully set up Google Chrome to automatically clear your browsing data on exit using a trusted extension. While Chrome doesn't have this feature built in, extensions like these make it easy to achieve the same result. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.